Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you are an old subscriber. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what life was really like having COVID days 2 through 5. Trust and believe it was not easy, but let's just get into it. Okay, y'all, good morning. Today is day 2 of finding out that I have COVID. So if you guys recently watched the other video, you'll see that, I shared my day 1 of COVID, because that's when I tested and it finally came back positive. When I took it, that like 2 days prior, it said negative, and I was feeling, not the best either. But anyways, today's day 2 of having COVID, and man, let me tell y'all, some of the symptoms that I've experienced thus far is definitely chills, fatigue, kind of like a sore throat, but it's not really, and like a runny nose, stuffy nose, either one nostril stuffed or the other one stuffed, or you know what, they're just both stuffed. And so far I feel like water has not helped. Like I'm saying, hot water hasn't helped, like shower wise. Like drinking hot stuff hasn't helped. Wearing the mask around the house definitely hasn't really helped, because like I had just pulled these out the car, and this was a 50 pack from my first graders last year, and I was getting ready to throw them in the trash, but thankfully I didn't. But the thing is, like when I go to sneeze and it catches it in here, I'm having to get a new one. So honestly, I can say today I feel much better. I'm kind of ready to get up and like move around and do some things. It is a beautiful day outside so far, but that doesn't mean that Sierra is going anywhere. I'm just gonna get ready to make me some coffee, have some breakfast, sit and chill on the couch. But yeah, day 2, this is what it's gonna be, like right now my nose is running underneath the mask, but it is what it is. I feel like it's coming out. The one good thing is like it's coming out instead of staying in, so I'm okay with that. But yeah, like if I cough, it's once in a blue moon, and it's like like I'm not really coughing as much, so that's a good thing. I've mostly just been sneezing, and then like snot coming out and stuff. Now the way that I knew I needed to take another test was when I woke up yesterday morning for day 1, and my nose had like green yellowish mucus in it, and I was like, oh god, yeah. And then it just so happens that I tested positive. Okay, so I just blew my nose and it's still like kind of mucusy, whatever, like the bare minimal. Yesterday it was whew. I'm gonna get ready to make this coffee. So hopefully I can taste it, because that's another thing I have not been able to taste or smell now in 24 hours. Yesterday for breakfast, I couldn't even smell, I could smell the coffee that I made. So I had used this peppermint bark creamer, and I had made like a gingerbread coffee, and I wasn't able to, keep saying I was able to taste it, but then after the fact of that, I haven't been able to like taste or eat anything or smell anything. So hopefully I can this morning. I doubt it, but something hot on my throat sounds really good. All right, y'all, it's day 3 of this COVID, and yes, I have a glove on. I have a glove on because my kids still need breakfast. They still need lunch, they still need dinner, so I'm using a glove on the hand that I clearly, use the most. So let's do a quick check-in. Day 3, today I feel much better. I also feel that everything is slowly going away. Yesterday I had some chai tea, or chai latte, and let me just say that I could taste it. Now, will I be able to taste what I'm probably gonna eat and drink today? No. It's really funky, you know? But anyways, I feel a little hot this morning, and I think that it's really because I'm like having to get used to wearing the mask, you know, while I'm here with the kiddos. But I was able to sleep really good last night, and I went to bed at a good time. And then I have like the bare minimal coughing, so you know, it is really what it is. I'm hoping to test again tomorrow to see if this is over. But that doesn't mean I'm gonna like jump up and go around people. I'm just gonna give it some time because we all know how this stuff works. But I really think I should test Saturday morning and not tomorrow. Like, I should test Christmas Eve. So yeah, when this vlog comes out, you guys will know that obviously I got COVID the week of Christmas, and it's been a rough one in this house. And so we woke up this morning playing with the dogs, and all of a sudden you hear Sky barking. So who knows what that is. I did test her. It is COVID negative, so I don't know. But anyways, I have a couple things I need to do around the house. If I feel like I want to update you guys on like some more symptoms, or like if I can taste or smell again, I definitely will. All right, y'all, quick update. So like I said, today I am feeling much better. As you guys can tell, I have not wanted to do my hair, but it needs to be straightened soon. I think that once I've, you know, really get myself together, I will definitely straighten it. But I need to wash it, so I'll probably just let it like wash it and then like let it curl up, get nappy, and then I'll try to straighten it. But anyways, I think that today I can honestly say like I can taste orange juice, and that I can taste like chai lattes and stuff, but I cannot taste anything else still. And it's like certain things I can kind of taste in the back of my throat, but I can't. So right now, you know, like that's the biggest update of the day. I think that since having COVID, I really haven't like tried to, you know, like go to the bathroom. So I think that that's probably going to be another one of my problems when I do get better. And I think that when this is all said and done, I'll be just fine. Like, I've coughed here and there. So like if I cough for you guys now, it just sounds like, oh, cool. But yeah, like I said, no fevers that I know of. You know, heat right now is like burning me up. It's not my biggest friend. My nose doesn't hurt today as much. I mean, it's like, I know that there's like a bunch of snot and mucus somewhere up in there, because you can like hear it, I can feel it, and it's like I really can't feel the tingling in my nose, like, you know, like I can pinch it, nothing. So yeah, I'm ready to just see when this is all going to end and like test negative on camera for me. Okay, y'all know what day it is. It's day 4 of this COVID crap. And I'm gonna be very honest, like today I am in a really good space. I've been up watching Greenleaf since like 6:30. Took the dogs out, and all I'm gonna say is that I feel better. Like, I feel in the mood to clean up. You would think that like with the weather that we're having, I wouldn't want to, because it's like kind of rainy outside. It's very cold, wind chills and all that. But trying to get back, you know, Lord, trying to get back together here. I'm just up on the couch this morning watching videos and like I said, watching Greenleaf, and eventually sometime today I am gonna get up and like shut myself off from the world as far as like, you know, closing my blinds and cleaning. Hopefully. But yeah, today's symptoms, I feel like it's just still my nose. I still can't taste, still can't smell. Somebody asked me yesterday, what am I taking during this whole process? And honestly, nothing. I've just been letting it go. So yeah, I mean, like I have a couple of things I need to do, like clean off my kitchen table and probably try to get ready for like the rearrangement of our living room. So like with the surprise of the dogs, we wanted to kind of like move our couch, which is right here, away from this window and this wall, because this is like, you know, the pathway of going back around our house to the neighbor's house, who, you know, we're not on speaking terms. And we wanted to just get away from hearing every little thing that goes past the house. So we wanted to move it over there. Our Christmas tree is up. So probably by the time you guys see this video, you'll know that this was filmed right around Christmas time. So our tree will go down Christmas Day, after Santa has, you know, made his arrival, if he chooses to. And then after the kids get like their stuff from us, and with our new like router or whatever, they want you to have it like up off the ground. So I saved space on my computer desk on the second shelf to put it there, and the computer desk will be over here. So whenever I'm editing, I'll be able to hear stuff over here, but I don't want to be over here and hear everything walking past my house. So yeah, eventually I'm gonna get ready to put this Christmas decor up tomorrow. You know, everything other than the stockings and the tree. Of course, any small things like countdowns got to go. Honestly, I think that it's really just in my nose. Like I said before, everything else on my body feels fine. I definitely can't tell like if I'm full or not, because I'm not getting the full experience of eating what I'm eating. So I think that I'm like binge eating, but at the same time, like it's not doing anything for me. So, you know, like not being able to smell and taste my food has definitely turned me off of like wanting to eat anything. But at the same time, I have to keep liquids in me. I have to keep some type of food on, you know, in my stomach. But it's just like anything that I want to enjoy food-wise, I'm just saving until I actually do get my taste buds back. Things like French fries, biscuits and gravy, I think things like, you know, like I had bought some more injectable butter to make like a chicken breast or something with. So I want to do that. Do that with a couple pieces of that, and then or actually turkey breast, and then yeah, you know. Okay, y'all, today's day 5. I gave up on the mask yesterday, and I took a COVID test last night and did not film it to show you all that I'm done. I am done. Yeah, it's Christmas Eve and just got over COVID. This is nuts. Like, I'm slowly but surely getting my taste back, but not my smell as much. Thanks guys so much for watching my COVID Chronicles. Special shout out to Cabernet over at Whitaker's Way, who gave me the idea to do this. A lot of you all have no idea what COVID is really like if you haven't gotten it, but it is definitely sometimes going to be the worst thing ever. Everybody has their own experiences, but my experience was not the best, and I can honestly say that I hope that no one else gets it. I hope that everyone stays safe and unsick. So thanks guys for watching. Be sure to hit that like button and make sure that you hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on another video. Bye.